Hello, I'm Dario, and today I'm going to show you the Citroen Berlingo crew cab and then explain to you why it's the perfect van for your business. So this is a brand new Citroen Berlingo 2023. It's already the facelifted model. Being brand new, we still protected it with a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint, which will make sure this lovely white won't fade for months to come. As you can see, this is in the enterprise trim level, but it's also a crew cab. And as you can see, after you slide the side door, you access the second row of seats. The tires are 16 inches as regular. At the back, you got the barn-style doors, and going to the left, you get the twin sliding door. The fuel cap is located on the passenger side at the rear, and as you can see, it's got both the diesel and the AdBlue cap. Let's get to the back of it. Once you open the barn doors at the back, you notice the cargo bay is quite evenly shaped, and it's all well lined in rubberized items to make sure the cargo bay is protected. Width-wise, between the wheel arches is 118 centimeters. Height-wise, it's 125 centimeters up until the lowest point of the roof. And depth-wise, it's 130 centimeters. This is obviously in the 5-seat configuration, but we can expand the cargo bay, and I'll show you in a minute. Once you recline the second row of seats, you can release the bulkhead and make it slide up to the front. Which grants you 90 more centimeters in length over the cargo box, which means now we have 190 centimeters of usable space. Let's get into the cabin now. Once you open the driver's door, you notice all the storage solutions in the door cart and the controls for the electrical adjustable mirrors and both front power windows. Getting into the cabin, you're welcomed by the lovely two-tone fabric seats. Both the driver and the passenger seats offer an armrest, and the driver's seat is fully adjustable. Same for the headrests. Getting in, you notice even more storage solutions. On the passenger door card, you can also notice the tire repair kit. You get a massive glove box in front of the passenger. And now, let's go to the driver's seat. In the front of you, you'll have an analog dashboard with a digital cluster, which will show you the trip computer informations. On the left side, you'll notice the stalks for the lights, which also have the automatic setting, cruise control, and on the right, you have the stalk for the wipers and for the phone controls. The head beams are height adjustable through this knob over here. And going into the infotainment, you can see the main unit is furnished with Android Auto, Apple Carplay and MirrorLink functionality, and also regular Bluetooth telephony. Underneath it, you can see all the AC controls. And over here, the heated mirror settings. So here it is. Citroen Berlingo L1 Crew Cab Enterprise, and all the reason why it's the perfect van for you. Feel free to contact us for any queries.